Hi, today I want to talk about cleaning, and this is the before and after pictures, and I would like to share some cleaning tips which usually I follow and which makes my cleaning more efficient. Let's go. So a lot of my friends has been asking me like, do you have 48 hours? How do you work in such high intense long hours work job, and also have two kids, two young kids, and do a lot of outdoor activities and play piano, and you also run side projects. Like how does that happen? And the secret of that is that I don't do cleaning. I don't do house chores. I only do the minimal house chores that allow us to continue our daily life. For example, I or my husband would put the dishes to the dishwasher, press the button, and unload the dishes. We do a laundry. We take out the trashes, and that's pretty much it. We don't do anything else. So what does our place look like? It's a mess. Come on, we have two kids, 1 and 6 years old. It's no joke. Does our house always look like a mess? Well, it depends. If we have friends coming over, then we will clean, and then after they leave, we go back to mess again. So every time when I start cleaning, then my daughter would ask, "Mom, is anyone coming to visit us?" And she gets excited. So I developed a system that's the friending cleaning system, which I put friends in 3 different buckets, 3 tiers. The first tier of friends that we don't hang out much and not super close, but we care about them a lot. And so when we invite them over, we'll make sure our clean is tidy, like Mary Kondo just visited. So there was a time that we invited tier 1 friends over, and my husband was outside running errands, and I was just doing the cleaning myself, and our friends arrived before he came home. And the friends was like, "Oh my God, your place looks so good, so clean." And I was like, "Well, I'm embarrassed. I didn't even clean." And then my husband arrived right after, and he was like, "Oh my God, our place looks so nice." And here comes the tier 2 friends. Our relationship with them is kind of complicated. It's that we're very close and they are good friends, but we still want to show the good side of us. So when they come, we'll make sure we do the cleaning, but it won't be like we spend 4 hours making our place into a model room. But we do the bare minimal cleaning, which I will be showing today what our tier 2 friends cleaning looks like. And then it comes to the tier 3 friends. So these are friends that it's like a long time friend, and we hang out so often that I just give up. I'm like, there's no way I can hide myself. And so this is me when they come to our place. And then also I feel very comfortable showing them that what our daily life looks like, and I don't need to worry about being judged. But we do appreciate that we do have tier 1 friends coming, because whenever we have tier 1 friends coming, say Chinese New Year, we will do the cleaning thoroughly every single corner. So let's start cleaning. So this is the balcony area, and we have like boxes in the corner. And this is our dining area, which we just had on delivery. And this is the shelves. We put bowls, clean bowls, kids bowls. And here at the cooking area, it's pretty clean because, just like I mentioned, I don't cook. And the countertop, it's a mess. It gets everything that should belong to here or shouldn't belong to here. Fruits and racks for cereals, breakfast, and a pot, and a water bottle. And this is the kids area, the desk for the older one to take the remote class, and this is like the toys area, the cable box. And I want to show a shelf that I got from IKEA. This is the one of the kitchens. So here I store the smaller kitchen appliances, And here I do the cleaning, and it has a soft open. The vacuum has the outlet for the vacuum cable. And here I have random stuff. It has the tools, snacks, food, tools, bags. And here I have some masks. A lot of masks we got when we went back to Taiwan. Because we don't know how long we're gonna be stuck here. So we got a lot of appliances. And there's like a lot of random stuff, which we should be more organized about. And the cable for the whole drawer makes sense. And there's a display area, which we normally keep as this. There's books, globe, and avocado. I love it, it's so cute. And so gifts from wedding, and more gifts. Okay, so this area is very messy. I'm going to start cleaning now. Every item, when you touch the item, you need to think about where should this item go. And the item could belong to an area which is further away from this place. So for example, this one should be in the walk-in closet in the master bedroom, which is on the 3rd floor. But I'm not going to just make one trip just to put this ski goggles back. So what I'm going to do is that I will leave this at the stairs that is going up. So next time when I make the trip to the 3rd floor, I will remember to bring these items upstairs. When I grab an item, and I usually try to find other items which is the same category or they belong to the same place. So I can collect multiple items and make a single trip for it. So now I have collected one child book. So I start circling around, grab the kids' toys, wipes, more books. At this moment, I'm not going to try to sort this because that's my next task. I will take down the kids' area separately. So I'm going to just leave it at the kids' area. And here I find a giant phone. I'm going to put it aside. And the organic baby food we got from Taiwan. And the keyboard that I give to baby so she doesn't interrupt when her sister is taking the remote class. Leaving them in the kids area. And the next is the Vitamix. I'm going to put back to the shelves that I got from IKEA, which I just showed. And also the books that I've been reading, it's about effective Objective-C. And there's like these nasty piles of the paper. It depends on my mood. Like for now, I don't feel like really going through them and then making sure they're in the right place. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to pull out the white paper because my daughter, she needs this for the art class. And the rest, they are not like urgent or important. So we have a basket. So this is also a good strategy. Just like, you know where these belong, but you don't have to organize right now and then come back when you feel like. And we have tons of bags like this at home which have random stuff that my daughter puts in. Pull them out and put them back. And the mugs, there's always a random mugs on the table. So what I do is that when I see mugs, now my goal is to collect all the mugs. And I don't care who uses it or the person still planning to use it. I'm just going to put that in the sink. So there's like this whole section of the area which my mother-in-law, she loves to bake and she makes delicious cookies. So there's like a lot of things like sliced almonds, flour, sugar, and also the tools. And I think if I put it back, and every time when she wants to make a cookie, it's a lot of effort to collect back items. So what I'm going to I remember our neighbors came to visit and they saw toilet paper everywhere. It just doesn't make any sense why you keep the toilet paper outside the toilet. But we just use it as like a regular tissue because it's soft, it's cheap. We have toilet paper like all over our places. I'll walk around again with the same countertop. So this is like a slightly or much better version, which everything is at where they can be. Not the best. And this is like the dead battery. Maybe I'll leave it here for now. And a coffee machine. Okay, so this is slightly better because if you look over, the countertop at least has some space right now. So let's move on to the dining area. This area is usually manageable. As you can see, we just had the lunch, so it's mostly the items that we had for lunch. We had a delivery, that's the udon from a Japanese restaurant. And then I just collect the containers, all the mugs, utensils, and make it one trip to kitchen to drop them off. So not affiliate with them, but I do find this placemat. This is silicone, and this is super easy to clean. We normally just drop them off to the dishwasher machine to clean it, and even we adults using it. Okay, so now I got a clean countertop and also a dining area, and next I'm going to move on to the kids area and other sections. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Bye now.